Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 7 respiration. It's all about the energy because all life processes use energy. So what is respiration? The body takes energy from chemical reaction which takes place in the cell known as respiration. There are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic involves oxygen and anaerobic means without oxygen. In this cell, this is an aerobic respiration. Animal cell need food and oxygen for the process to releasing energy, and they also release carbon dioxide and water as a byproduct. This is the word equation for the respiration, glucose plus oxygen, and the reactants are carbon dioxide, water, energy. Now test yourself questions, page number 97, and the answers are: why do all living things need to produce energy? Because all life processes need energy. Right word equation for the respiration, glucose, oxygen. Reactants are carbon dioxide, water, energy. Why do we have to breathe to produce energy? We breathe because oxygen is needed to burn the fuel in our cells to produce energy. Fourth question, why does a cold window steam up when you breathe on it? Because the window gets tiny droplets of moisture on it or fog acts. This table shows the composition of air changes when you breathe in and out. You have to learn amount in air inhaled and amount in air exhaled of different gases. Next topic, difference between respiration and breathing. Students, in this topic you have to learn the difference between breathing and respiration. Difference is just a simple way of exchanging gases. For example, taking in oxygen and getting rid of carbon dioxide. But respiration is a process of releasing energy due to the breakdown of glucose, and it is placed in our cells of body tissues. For example, in the mitochondria is where mitochondria found in the cytoplasm, and muscle cells contain most of mitochondria because they have to release large amount of energy. Now test yourself questions, page number 98, and the answers are: page number 98, explain the difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing is a way of exchanging gases between lungs and surrounding air. Respiration is a process by which energy is released during the chemical breakdown of glucose. Second question, where does respiration takes place? Respiration takes place in the cells of body tissues. Third question, what are mitochondria? Mitochondria is a teeny dot-shaped structure where respiration takes place. Fourth question, explain why muscle cells have more mitochondria than bone cells. Because they have to release large amount of energy quickly for the movements. Now, energy without oxygen in animals. Students, many animals and plants respire aerobically. They use oxygen to release energy for the food. So, walking is an anaerobic exercise because body gets enough oxygen for anaerobic respiration to supply the energy needs, and hurdle racing and anaerobic exercise, no matter the fast person breathes or their heart beats, the body cannot get enough oxygen. Now, how does anaerobic respiration works? In this word equation, you can see that glucose first converted into lactic acid and then combined with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And this is instead of breakdown of completely carbon dioxide and water, glucose breaks into a lactic acid. Anaerobic respiration is very useful when energy is needed in hurry. So, another word equation, glucose. Anaerobic respiration in animals, glucose directly converted into lactic acid and energy in small amount. Now test yourself questions about this topic, and the answers are: page number 100, explain the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration that involves oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic means with air, and anaerobic takes place without oxygen is called anaerobic respiration, and anaerobic means without air. Write the word equation for the aerobic respiration in animals, glucose directly converted into lactic acid and energy. Give one example of aerobic, walking, and anaerobic, hurdle racing. Use the diagram to explain why less energy is released during the aerobic respiration. Draw the diagrams and learn them. Thank you.